ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Saram, it will be always denoted by various signs apart from our normal worship, uh, duties, and way of our Kriya Puja and all the rishis are mentioned about the concentration about your inner self within yourself. It means there is a specific name in Tamil for the Almighty is Kadavul. It means that you have to travel within yourself. The great saint, the great saint Reverend Ramana Maharishi also mentioning about this, and he wrote a great volume of a book stating who am I, and he started really saying in his small age of 14 itself, he realized that he is not the body, he is the soul. But to say this as a theory, it is very easy, but to understand this point is very difficult. So there is a book by name Kaivalya Navanidam also, which explains about this, which was written by Kaivalya Maharishi. So there are a lot of literatures explaining this point that the thing which is to be noted in our body is only the soul and not the body, not the flesh. Because the flesh is anitya and the soul is nitya. It means that soul is always a standard one, unperishable, and flesh is perishable and it will vanish one day. For as per human limitations and their individual fate. So it is to be noted always to concentrate on our souls. How to concentrate on one's souls? By meditation, it is what the saints are denoting that. But our Baba, when he was also telling me the same, but his way of, explaining that was very interesting to me, because I was a person who was smoking earlier on my foreign stay. So one day Swami asked me casually that, okay, because I am taking this hookah. Hookah, it is an Arabian style of smoking. Perhaps everyone must know. So Swami used to go through that, smoke that hookah. But hookah is the thing that smoke is helping, that is a medicinal process of smoking that contains a lot of medicinal products, and the smoke goes through unfiltered through the water so that there won't be any harm for the body or lungs or whatever it is. And it was very good for the digestion. Our Swami used to use that hookah sometimes. This question Swami asked me, because I am taking that hookah, are you smoking or what? I said, no Swami, it's not because of that. Because sometimes I feel bored amidst this hard work and same type of writing. So I got bored up. So that's how I smoke some few cigarettes a day. Then he said, okay, I will ask you a question. Can you reply? I said, okay, Swami, I will reply you provided. Who are you? Then I said, my name is so and so. Then I told him I just indicated, and I am so and so. I indicated my body. You mean to say you are referring to your body? I said, yes, that is what can be referred by everyone. They can just indicate their body to identify themselves. He said, no, that's not you. That's as per science. Your body is the combination of your father and mother. The science accepts and the Veda accepts, everything is the same. Then I thought, okay, it is correct. What you are telling is correct. Okay, then what you are? Are you the soul? No. The soul is given by the Lord. Okay. Then are you the life? No. The life is functioning due to the combination of soul and the body. Then what you are? You are a zero. It is a fact that we are always a zero, and we are a combination of various facts given by Lord as well as by our parents. So then Swami made me understand this fact that the life, your body is presented by your parents to undergo your karma and all and complete your duties in this universe for that particular birth. So you got that as a loan from your parents, your body as a loan from your parents. So because you got the body, Lord has given you as present the soul. Then because of the soul came to your body, your life started functioning. This is the general structure, nomenclature of the entire body. So when a thing is not yours, how can you misuse it? This is the question asked by my guru. It is quite logic in that. If a person goes to a bank, for example, you are going and you are pledging your jewels in the bank. So, but the banker has got no right to misuse that. So when you give the money back to him, whatever loan amount you have received from him, when you are going to return it back, he has to return you back all your jewels without any damages. So my Lord, my Guru mentioned that same point, that here, when you have got all these things as amanat, that is the exact word he used in Hindi. Amanat means it is almost like a mortgage from your parents, from the Lord, from the nature. So you are not supposed to misuse. So you are not supposed to damage your lungs, which is given by your parents, and it is working with the help of the Almighty, with the grace of the Almighty. You are not supposed to misuse that. Can you understand? This is what he told me. Then I took that point, then I stopped smoking on the same day. So here what is to be understood is that the Lord resides within ourselves, is the soul, and it is a temple. So it should not be made for unwanted things or unwanted bad habits and all. So we are not supposed to spoil our health ourselves. And to understand the sanity, understand the holiness of that soul which is residing within us.
ॐ